As the pre-dawn sky begins to brighten, our journey to Mount Hutt unfolds. This season, a new adventure beckons us as first-time season pass holders, promising a world of exhilarating slopes and family memories in New Zealand's Southern Alps. In the quiet of early morning, our car joins the eager line of skiers ascending the mountain. Each turn of the road takes us closer to a winter playground where every run is a new story, every laugh is a cherished moment. As the sun casts its first golden rays over Mount Hutt, it has revealed not just a ski field, but a canvas for our family's adventures. This season, we're not just skiing and snowboarding, we're embarking on a journey of verse, crafting our own unique tale in this winter wonderland. Welcome to Mount Hutt, where our family's ski story begins.
Good on, mate. Well done. Good one. Go, Lockie. Woohoo! Elsie.
Perched in the Southern Alps of New Zealand, Mount Hutt reigns as a premier ski destination. Just a short drive from Christchurch, where we live, it stands as a snowy sentinel overlooking the Canterbury Plains, inviting adventurers to its renowned slopes.
How'd you get there?
Mount Hutt is a dynamic canvas of nature, reveals the ever-changing moods of the winter season. This year, our adventure began under an unusually warm sky, so after a false start, it delayed the eagerly awaited snowfall. The mountain, in its majestic patience, waited for its wintry cloak. As the season unfolded, so did the transformation of Mount Hutt. The sparse, snow-dusted trails gradually flourished into thick white blankets, offering us a bounty of skiing and snowboarding delights. Each week, the landscape evolved, painting a richer, more vibrant picture of winter's embrace. Yet, as all seasons do, winter began to yield to the approaching warmth. The crisp, powdery snow gave way to softer, spring-like conditions, reminding us of the fleeting, precious nature of our time on these slopes. Mount Hutt, ever-changing, stood as a testament to the beauty and impermanence of the winter season. Our pilgrimage to Mount Hutt is a journey of anticipation. From our home in Christchurch, it's a 1.5 hour drive through the breathtaking landscape of the Canterbury Plains. We often set off in the early hours, chasing the dawn, all to secure a coveted spot in the top car park. This ritual, a blend of eagerness and strategy, saves us from the bottom car parks and the additional wait for buses. On some occasions, we opt for a different pace. Taken to our caravan, we nestle into the cosy town of Methven, a stone's throw from the mountain. This choice gives us a shorter morning drive and a few more precious moments of sleep. Whether from home or Methven, each journey to Mount Hutt weaves its own unique tale, part of our family's ski season tapestry.
Alright, come along with us for a ski trip today. About to wrap up from work. I've got the car hitched up ready to go, and then we're going to head out to Methven for a couple of nights, hit the slopes at Mount Hutt, and the conditions are looking amazing, so I hope you enjoy this one, something a bit different.
As the season dawned at Mount Hutt, our family's dynamic on the slopes was somewhat unique. Omi and I are snowboarders alongside our skiing children. This contrast added a layer of complexity to our adventures. While we glided on our boards, our kids, especially our eldest Cohen, were mastering the art of skiing. In the early days, Cohen alone could reach the mountain's higher realms, facing runs that were both exhilarating and challenging. As time marched on, the mountain served not just as a playground but a classroom. Despite the differences in our snowbound disciplines, we found common ground in our love for the snow and the mountain's majesty. We watched with pride as our children's skills flourished, their skis carving paths that increasingly grew confident and daring. A defining moment of our season was guiding Cohen and Elsie on the Virgin Mile Run, a challenge that marked a significant milestone. There, high above the world, the distinction between snowboarding and skiing faded into the background, replaced by a shared awe of the panoramic vistas that unfolded around us. By season's close, all our children revealed the freedom of the summit's runs, a testament to their resilience and growth. Omi and I, on our snowboards, savoured these moments of unity and triumph. The journey at Mount Hutt was not just about skiing or snowboarding, it was about family, learning, and the joy of embracing the slopes together, each in our own way.
Oh, not hydroslide, elephant.
On the slopes of Mount Hutt, our friend Richard, the guy in the yellow jacket, became an unexpected treasure. A keen skier and a natural mentor, he took our eldest, Cohen, under his wing. For us as snowboarders, Richard's expertise was invaluable. He was the bridge that took Cohen skiing from foundational to exceptional. Their days together were filled with learning and laughter, with Richard imparting skills we couldn't. Cohen's transformation under Richard's guidance was remarkable. This partnership didn't just enhance Cohen's skiing, it enriched our entire family's experience, making each shared descent a testament to the friendship and joy of skiing.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Maybe.
Our season at Mount Hutt gifted us a day we'll always remember, our very first powder day. That morning, the mountain awoke under half a metre blanket of fresh, untouched powder. For our family, it was stepping into a world that we'd never experienced before. As we explored the slopes, every turn kicked up clouds of soft, fluffy snow, transforming our runs into a playful dance. The kids, with wonder, drove into the powder, their laughing echoing across the mountain. Even for us seasoned snowboarders, the day was a revelation, adding a new layer of joy to our snowbound adventures. This wasn't just skiing or snowboarding, it was a day of pure unbridled fun, of a celebration of winter's generous gift. The mountain in all its pristine glory invited us to play, and we answered yes.
Yeah, white.
I hurt myself.
You did? Are you okay?
I bumped my head. I'm okay though.
You want it?
You want this job? Might as well,
The season brought us a detour from our usual Mount Hutt adventures. We ventured onto Mount Cheeseman for the primary school ski race, an exciting new experience for Cohen. The day was mixed with anticipation and pride as we watched Cohen take his part in his first ever ski race. The change of scenery at Mount Cheeseman added a fresh perspective to our skiing experience.
Did you see yourself?
We explored the slopes, the distinct character of the new ski field unfolded around us, offering a unique backdrop to our skiing experience. For Cohen, racing amongst his peers was not just about speed, it was about embracing a new challenge, learning the thrill of competition, and enjoying the spirit of the event. As parents, witnessing his determination was a joy and memory to cherish. The day at Mount Cheeseman was a valuable addition to our season's journey, blending the excitement of racing with the joy of family adventure.
Yeah?
You want to have a look over here? Alright.
almost more like an expert.
As the ski season at Mount Hutt wound down, the air warmed and the mountain's mood shifted. The snow, once a crisp blanket, softened under the touch of spring. These changes didn't dampen our spirits. Instead, we found new joy, often skiing in t-shirts under the milder, sunlit sky. Each day we spent on the slopes felt precious, a celebration of the season's end. The softer snow and relaxed atmosphere made for a leisurely, more enjoyable run. But as the warmth crept in, we knew our time with the snow was drawing to a close. Reflecting on our 2023 winter at Mount Hutt, we realise how fortunate we are to live amidst such stunning landscapes. This season of skiing and snowboarding was more than just an adventure. It was a reminder of the beauty right at our doorstep. Making these videos not only captured our memories, but also highlighted the importance of cherishing where we are. As we eagerly anticipate the 2024 season, we're reminded to make the most of every moment in this extraordinary place we call home. Here's to more joy, more slopes, and more unforgettable family moments in the winters to come.
To Mount Hutt.
Shall we all hit 72 as a fam?
Yeah, you can put it, mate.
Alright. Thanks lots. I mean, Cohen. It's fun. And I think you need to go a little bit faster.
Okay. Whoa. Okay. Fourth time I've fallen over. That's the fourth time I've fallen over. Thank you, Lucky. Lucky, here. Can I have it? Thank you.
Watch out for the machine.